Hey nice people, welcome back. Last tutorial we have created this banner section. Now we will create another section that calls best seller section. That means the best items. So let's take a section here and we will set some padding. Top will be 100 and bottom will be 100. Okay, then we will take a heading here and it will say best seller. Go to the style tab, set the color to the black. Typography font family will be Grand Hotel. Font will be 58. Font weight will be bold and let's make it center. Then we will add some text here. So let's add some text. We will make it to center and go to the typography. We will make the font size to 22. Okay, then let's add some margin at the left and at the right. Left will be 50 pixel and right also 50 pixel. All right, now we will take an inner section here. Okay, so we will take 3 inner section here and we will add an image to this column. Okay, let's add an image. Let's select this one. Okay, let's make it full. Then drag a title here. Let's change the title text. Go to the style tab. Color will be the black and font will be Grand Hotel. Font size will be 48 and let's make it to center. Then add some text here. Okay, we'll make it center. Go to the typography and font size will be 14. Okay, it's looking cool. Go to the column and set some padding to 30. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's delete this column and this column and duplicate this 2 times. Okay, change the image. This one. Change this image to this one. Okay, I'm not going to change all those title and the text. Okay, let's click to the update and let's preview it. Okay, so here is our new section. It's looking really nice. Alright, so this was the second part of our tutorial. We also provide web development, web designing, branding, all kind of services. So if you need any kind of services, you can go to our website and contact with us. I will provide you the link in the description. Also, there is a good news I want to share with you that we are providing this kind of wonderful website service for only $99. We are providing this service for 3 person in a month. So if you want to get the offer, click the link below. I will give you the link in the description. So you will get a nice and professional website in only $99. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.